What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be talking about upgrading to the LG Stylo 4 and if you should. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I've been getting a ton of questions on the LG Stylo 4, and this is pretty much going to be a raw, uncut video, other than just a few edits to, speed up the process. But yeah, a ton of people want to upgrade to the LG Stylo 4, and they just don't know if they should or not. A lot of people have the LG Stylo 3, and they're on the fence about upgrading to the Stylo 4, and they just want to make that switch, and they just want to know if they have to make that switch. So I'm going to go ahead and break it down for you guys right now. So if you guys do have the LG Stylo 3, or any other phone for that matter that was pretty much last year's devices, then if your phone's doing good and you really don't need a switch, then I would say don't upgrade. The reason being is because we're still on this 2 GB of RAM and we're still on the 32 GB of storage. We're pretty much on the same thing that we've been on for the last few years, and there's not really much upgrades to the LG Stylo 4. Some nice things that we do see are Type-C, obviously, on the charger. We do have NFC on this device, and we do have Fast Charge. Other things are that we get a newer Android experience, so we have Android 8.1 on this device, and we also have the newer design devices of 2018, as you guys have seen. These newer design devices are currently 18:9 aspect ratio, as you guys can see, and this is the full vision display. So if you guys do want a bigger screen phone, and you guys do want that 18:9 aspect ratio and that newer software, then I would say get what you want, because at that point it all comes down to what you want. But for the people who still have the LG Stylo 3, the Blade Z Max, all those other phones, if that phone is running absolutely perfect for you, then I would not upgrade to the LG Stylo 4. But to the people who do really want to upgrade and they don't want similar specs, I would go with the Huawei Mate SE. Now, the reason why I'm saying this, the LG Stylo 4 is a great phone. Don't get me wrong, the LG Stylo 4 is a beautiful phone. At Metro PCS, I already give you my opinions on the Cricket version, and the Boost Mobile version still hasn't came out. I'm not going to crap on this phone, guys. This is a really, really good device. Durability is actually amazing. If you guys didn't see my drop test video, we dropped it from high up. We dropped it from almost 6 feet, and it still survived from the screen. So durability is there. Fast charging is there. All of the features we want, such as NFC. We have a full vision display, 18:9 aspect ratio. We have the Stylo feature at the bottom. If you guys do not care about the features that come with the LG Stylo 4 and you just want an all-around better phone, better experience, you want more gigabytes of RAM, this one has 4 GB of RAM. You want more storage. This one has 64 GB of storage. You just want a better all-around experience. Because if we're going to go ahead and compare the Stylo 4, the only thing out there that we're really upgrading is we're getting the new design. We're getting a few new features on the camera. Cameras are virtually the same, honestly. We do get a new GIF feature on the LG Stylo 4, as you guys saw right there. That's really the only thing that changed with the pen pop. And we do get NFC and Fast Charge. So if you guys really do want to upgrade, but you do not care about any of the, features that the LG Stylo 4 has, you're not really a stylus person, you don't really use the stylus at all like me, definitely go with the Mate SE. Now, the Mate SE is going to cost a little bit more. So I did get the Mate SE for $230 on Prime Day. All of the people who tweeted at me that got it for $220, that is an absolutely amazing deal. Good stuff, guys. You guys could probably find this phone used for about $200, but if you guys do want a better experience, either go with the Mate SE or the Honor 7X. Honor 7X is $200. We get that 3 GB of RAM. We get an awesome build. We get a decent camera. We get a really good fingerprint sensor on both of these devices. Just all around better phones than these Metro PCS phones, honestly. So if you do want to upgrade and you don't want the features on the Stylo 4, then I would honestly go with the Mate SE. But the question here is, should you upgrade to the LG Stylo 4? I honestly think if you guys are at the LG Stylo 2, LG Stylo 1, or you guys are at the older phones, such as the Z Max Pro and stuff, go for the LG Stylo 4. It's going to do you good. But if you guys just want to upgrade, I wouldn't do it. If your phone's working well for you, then definitely stay with your phone that you have for right now and wait to the Stylo 5 or wait to the Blade Z Max 2. But yeah, I hope this video did really help you. If you did, please leave it in the comments down below. I really did want to give the customers more of an insight for the LG Stylo 4. This is a super hyped up phone, so that's what we have to take into account. Everybody was excited for this phone, as I was, and it's still a really, really good phone at Metro PCS. But is it worth upgrading? My final answer has to be, if your phone's not doing good, upgrade to the LG Stylo 4. If it is, stay with your current device because specifications really have not changed. If you want fast charging, USB Type-C, NFC, and different stuff like that, those type of features, then you should go to the LG Stylo 4 if that's like a really important thing that you need from a phone. But other than that, if you just want to upgrade, I would stay with your current handset because it's not that much of an upgrade. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a video. Without further ado, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.